Thank you for visiting the Coin Lady channel again. XRP Las Vegas is happening, every single one of you. It would be great if some of you could make it to that. If so, I pray that everything is going swimmingly for you. Vegas, after all. What the isn't Las Vegas a blast? I am interested in knowing that. The current XRP price is the topic of discussion in this episode. I think so. We will discuss the current state of the Bitcoin market as a whole. Everything is looking positive, the market is green, we're experiencing some upward momentum, and it appears to be nearing the bottom of the Bitcoin price that we were discussing. If the $60,000 floor didn't hold, then $50,000 to $10,000 would be acceptable. Did you have a handle on anything crucial for your future bottom? At $50,000, we had to be sure we were in control. When we lost it, everything was fair game until we hit the $50,000 to $52,000 mark. How did we come to hold 58 of these? What seems strange is that a return to 64,000 to 74,000 would signal the next bull run. Maybe Bitcoin will have a small price increase, and then it will correct and go back down to the 58,000 or perhaps 52,000 mark. We haven't even gotten out of the boat yet. Within the next several minutes, we will address that matter. Therefore, let's not waste any more time and dive into a Bitcoin $63,950 in the last day. It has increased by 4.76%. Entering at $31.47, Ethereum, currently, it has increased by 3.42%. With XRP adding its own 54 cents to the dollar and USDT and USDC both coming in at their dollar pegs, XRP's value has increased by 3.67% in the last day. The entire market cap of cryptocurrencies as of the end of the last day was $2,391 billion, which was still lower than the all-time high of $2.72.8 trillion set during the 2020 to 2021 bull run. Consequently, what is our next move? Bitcoin is really simply in a chop, isn't it? So, that's the crucial question. Within the range, it is. We need to concentrate on 68,000 and get a break above 74,000. At the moment, there is nothing extraordinary happening. Our agenda bank is this: where is he at XRP? Sin City Ration Pro Productions had a busy agenda on Friday. Unreleased documentary on XRP that shot a little video. Apparently, Brad Garlinghouse and Joel Katz will now be featured in the documentary. Prior to today's presentations by Caleb and Brown, they discussed the following topics: Ripple, the dollar's security, private equity, the IPO session, and the construction of a multi-chain global interoperability on Capitol Hill. Caleb and Brown is essentially an onboarding and crypto holding company, in case you didn't know. Gonick and Offboard will both be present. Between 150,000 to 225,000, according to David Schwartz. He and Rachel gave a brief lecture, lasting approximately 25 minutes. Well, that's all. Assuming you're a top-tier Las Vegan, I pray that everything is going swimmingly for you. I mean it. I hope that everyone is finally getting a chance to meet each other. It would be great if everyone isn't working and hanging out. I had just a touch of espresso. He was known to many as the digital asset investor, since he supported a little coffee event. They owe their continued membership in the XRP community to him and the reasons they were involved. He maintains the trust that sustains optimism. It is imperative that you attend Coffee Hour by D. True Cryptocurrency, oh true, posted the graph. We should discuss Bitcoin. Price and the state of the market are two topics we should discuss. Bitcoin is one of two primary options he is now considering, according to him. Alternative route. Holding the local highs we broke above and continuing up to a significant resistance would be the perfect road for me to fill the shorts and many outs globally. It is not optimal to read down the red route. We experienced an early breakdown and were unable to regain control, and the optimum situation for most all-time-highs was not satisfied. Tomorrow we will assess the situation. Meanwhile, here's the green light to reach that significant resistance zone. If you're curious as to why I'm so enthusiastic about finding the shorts, you can watch the video. Where I have it is between 68,000 and 74,000, as I mentioned before. In the range of 68 to 71.5, he plays. Therein lies your primary obstacle. He expects us to retrace to that level if we experience a breakdown and are unable to overcome the resistance level, which is currently located around 6062 or 63. Please, we are currently arguing over insignificant details because we are situated in the middle of that zone, but we need to break above at 65. If we can surpass this tiny resistance between 63,000 and 65,000, we will witness Bitcoin's price falling once again, indicating that this is the final decline. If we are unable to do so, the next push-up will occur. Pardon me, the $52,000 area is going to be open for business. Avoiding 52 is our goal. Listen up, folks, that's the 52. He sees our goal of returning to the summit. In order to achieve our goal of breaking the $74,000 mark on Bitcoin, we must first encounter this resistance level. Remember, this is the year of Bitcoin, and if we breach it, we will witness its final wave, during which it will go utterly parabolic and explode. Ethereum will also see a rise in value. After we get this footage from Michael Saylor, listen to this, next year is when alts will really burst and go parabolic. The man who is scared is this one. He fears everything that is out there these days, even if he has all of his money in Bitcoin. BNB, the Solana waivers. Wall Street will never accept Cardano since it will be classified as a security this summer. Well, that concludes our video. Like and subscribe as usual, and feel free to leave a comment with your opinions. Muchas gracias, depart.